We used to roam the planet, from one side to the other. We considered it a right. Now we know it's a privilege. We do not need to travel far to experience and discover the beauty of the nature around us. It is time to slow down and be thankful for what we have. There's always beauty and adventure right here at home for us to discover. When chaos hits our lives, seek comfort from nature's harmony. Forests can inspire more peace than the tallest man-made cathedral. Branches stretching toward the sky in a quest for infinity. Fresh breeze playing in their leaves, and birds nesting in their shelter. Stop a moment to listen to the buzzing of the bees. Get drunk on the noises that fill the air on a late summer day. Flowers dancing graciously under the sun. The calmness of still water where frogs sing their love songs. When a dip in a cold lake is what makes you feel alive on a bright day. Take a deep breath and enjoy this moment. Do not overthink. Everything will be all right. Let nature teach you to be patient and to live one day at a time. Go. Sleep in peace, for God is awake.